How to make iPhone automatically stop charging. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll through the menu and select the Battery feature. This battery section shows information about your phone's power usage, battery health and charging. Now, scroll down and select Charging from the menu where you can adjust the charge limit. This feature stops charging at your selected percentage to improve its long-time lifespan and reduces stress on the battery. If you set the charge limit to 90%, your phone will stop charging at 90% battery level and resume if the battery level drops more than 5% while still plugged in. Following these steps, you can easily make your iPhone automatically stop charging. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.